From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Happy Thursday. I'm student meteorologist Christian Spallone from the Campus Weather Service, here with a look at your Thursday evening CNET forecast. And it's a bit of a tale of two stories across the state today as we look over the state on our live camera imagery right now. Across eastern Pennsylvania, we see lots of cloud cover, and as you work west, you see a lot more sunshine come out and really pleasant conditions. And if you look in State College, you can actually see the delineation between the sun and the clouds that's occurring across the state right now throughout central Pennsylvania. So a clear gap in the conditions today across the state, and we can see this delineation on our current conditions graphic here. Lots of clouds across the east, but becoming much sunnier as you work your way west. And we can look at the satellite image to see what this looks like from a radar and satellite perspective. And you see that cloud cover across eastern Pennsylvania, and you see that break that we just saw in the State College imagery across central Pennsylvania with really just pure sunshine as you work west across the Pittsburgh metro region and up into northwestern Pennsylvania. But off towards the east, we do see some showers coming down in portions of southeastern Pennsylvania, including in Philadelphia, as a stalled boundary begins to work out of the area. And we can zoom out, and this is the remnants of a big system that moved through a lot of the United States earlier this week, now pushing up into southeastern Canada and getting out of the way. And we can see this kind of stalled boundary that's left behind here, bringing a lot of precipitation to the very extreme eastern portions of the East Coast right now, and some heavy precipitation in portions of North Carolina, for example. This will slowly work out of the area, and you can see behind this really just high pressure building in and clearer skies expected as we work our way into Friday and this system moves out. Also windy across the state right now, so behind this system we have a few gusts coming in up to 15 in Johnstown, and we can expect generally up to 25, 30 mile per hour gusts as we head into tonight and even tomorrow, where we could see some of those gusts amplify a bit more to end the week. But over the next 12 hours here in State College, we'll see those temperatures gradually fall, expecting a relatively cool night. Could get down near the freezing mark by tomorrow morning, and we see generally clearing skies as those clouds work off finally to the east of central Pennsylvania. As we head into the next 24 or 36 hours or so here, we'll begin to see that cloud pocket move off towards the east. Those temperatures dip tomorrow, and then we'll gradually see things climb as we head into Friday in terms of our temperatures. A few more clouds off towards the north tomorrow afternoon, but things gradually improving and moving up towards around 50 degrees for the daytime tomorrow. Cooling off again tomorrow night before on Saturday we'll see another system begin to encroach the region as we make our way into the start of the weekend. So looking here, we see again beautiful day tomorrow, and then by Sunday we see this, or Saturday, we see this next system approach. More showers expected, so a little bit of a rough start to the weekend on Saturday, but things should gradually clear up by the time we get to Sunday. Still should see plenty of cloud cover, but drier weather looks likely to end the weekend. But then we're going to see a few waves of precipitation move through by the time we get to Monday, and this will bring a bit of a damper to the start of the work week with a couple waves of rainfall coming through. With some wet conditions likely through at least Tuesday. Here's our temperatures over the next 5 days or so. Generally seasonable around the 50-degree mark, even a little bit cooler than seasonable at times. But we'll see a little bit of a spike on Sunday in the wake of the precipitation on Saturday, climbing up closer to the 60-degree mark on that day. So starting for your forecast for tonight, again, a little bit of a cooler night, getting down to around 32 degrees, mostly clear conditions out there. And we'll really see this continue to expand, these good conditions tomorrow, heading up to around 53 degrees for your high to end the week on Friday. Gusty conditions tomorrow, but plenty of sunshine to wrap up the work week. And now your 7-day forecast for the State College area. Again, a great end to the week tomorrow, and before we see some clouds and showers enter the area for Saturday. Warms up a bit on Sunday, mainly cloudy conditions continue. More rain to start next week with some showers and remaining wet as we head into Tuesday. We should see things gradually clear out by the time we get to Wednesday, but gusty with precipitation lingering, some snow possible in northwestern Pennsylvania. And by the time we get to the end of next week, we'll begin to see things finally clear out with partly cloudy skies expected. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm Christian Spallone. Have a great night.